Hi, welcome to this series on regular expressions. In this video, we are going to learn about quantifiers and alternation in regex. We will get to know about different quantifiers and how can we use them for building our search patterns. So let's dive right into it. So what are quantifiers? Quantifiers in regex indicate that the preceding token must be matched a certain number of times. They basically help you to control the occurrence of certain token or group of token in your search results. This might sound confusing, so we will see it through some examples. But before that, let's see why we need quantifiers. For example, let's say you want to match a 10-digit phone number in your string. Without the quantifiers, your pattern will look something like this. A backslash lowercase t repeated 10 times. This was easier for the pattern like 10-digit phone numbers. But think about making a search pattern for a string with more than 100 digits. How can we make those patterns? Fear not, we have quantifiers in our arsenal. So the first quantifier we have is an asterisk or star. This asterisk quantifier matches the preceding token 0 or more times. So as you can see, this backslash lowercase d followed by an asterisk is matching for any digit 0 or more times. Now just like the asterisk, we have a similar quantifier that is plus, which instead of matching for 0 or more preceding token, match for 1 or more preceding token. So if we don't want to match for 0 occurrences, we can simply replace our asterisk with a plus. Okay, now it's time to move to our next quantifier. But before that, I want to show you one simple trick which can help you to match any pattern. All you have to do is write a dot followed by an asterisk. As you can see, this is matching for each and every word in your text, but make sure you use it wisely and create as specific pattern as you can. So now let's move to our next quantifier, which is a question mark. This question mark helps to make the token optional for you. It matches 0 or 1 of the preceding token. A good example for this can be matching the word color in your string. You can spell color in two ways, one without the letter U and one with the letter U. Now if we want to match this word color, we can write either color C-O-L-O-R or C-O-L-O-U-R, but we cannot match these simultaneously. Now what we can do is we can make this U optional for us. Now you can see this single pattern is matching for our color with the letter U and color without the letter U. Till now we have seen quantifiers that match for 0, 1 or more than 0 or 1 tokens. But what if we want something more specific, like 5 words, 5 or more than 5 words, or even more specific, like 5 to 7 words? We can do all of these with our next quantifier. So let's say we want to match only 10-digit phone number specifically. We can do this by a backslash lowercase d followed by a curly brace open, 10 and then a curly brace close. This is going to match for exactly 10 digits. Now let's say we want to match for 4 to 10 digits. We can do this by simply adding 4, 10 in our curly braces. Similarly, if we want to match for 4 and more than 4 digits, we can simply remove this 10 and now this 4 comma inside our curly brace will match for 4 or more than 4 tokens. Okay, so let's move to our next topic, that is alternation. Alternation in regex acts like a boolean OR. It helps you to match one sequence or another. It matches the expression before or after the pipe symbol. Let's learn about alternation with an example. In one of the previous example, we created a pattern to match two different spelling of the word color, one with the letter U and one without the letter U in it. Let's see how can we achieve the similar result with the alternation. As you know, alternation acts like a boolean OR. So we can provide two different patterns and separate them with the pipe symbol. Just like this, color separated by the other spelling, which is C-O-L-O-U-R. Now you can see this particular pattern is matching for both the spelling of the word color. This is how you can use alternation in your patterns. So this was all the basic things you need to know about quantifiers and alternation. We are going to see their full potential when they are combined with groups. We are going to learn about groups in our coming videos. Till then, happy coding to you guys.